Hi guys, welcome to another market news and updates, and I'm your host Omi, and welcome to OMIMIZ YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you do like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section. Today we'll be discussing why are the reasons that BTC keeps going to 55 and 53. Will we bounce back from there or not? Let's find out in today's video. Hi guys, welcome back to the video, and let's deep dive into our news section and see what are the latest news in the markets. The first news we have, which is attracting a lot of people right now and everybody's having kind of frenzy for it, is 1.2 million users flock onto NFT Pirate Bay for artwork archive. Yes, somebody just created an NFT Bay, something like piratebay.com, which is just insane. And an Aussie software developer has created the NFT Bay containing an archive of NFT copies to show they are nothing more than directions on how to access or download an image. So the guy basically what he did is he took out a loophole. Not all NFTs that are being sold on the marketplaces are actually registered on blockchains and have dedicated blockchain addresses. And he found that out and he was like, how can we do something about it and solve the whole problem? So he made an NFT way where he's showing most of the pictures that don't have registered addresses on blockchain, and also how to download them and a lot of other things about it. Though the project is very crazy because he had to upload a lot of megabytes of data within a few hours. He did that all in 10 hours. The guy is absolutely insane and he's a gem of a man. So the second news we have for today is breaking, massive news again. Constitutional DAO fails to win Sotheby's auction. Proceeds of the US Constitution sale will benefit Dorothy Tapper Goldman Foundation. So there was a community that wanted to buy the Constitution rights and have it as its own, but they raised about I think $20 million and they tried their best, but they still failed. But that was a great opportunity for a decentralized community to do something like this and try to take control or change the world in history, especially. Is gone. The opportunity is gone now. Maybe next time would be a better time.
सब मेरे दोस्तों प्लीज भाई.
The next news we have for ourselves is Bitcoin clings to 56k as whales keep buying. Watch these BTC price levels. Testing time continue for Bitcoin bulls with the $1 trillion market cap next up for support. We're actually testing support slowly and we keep coming down, but still not as bearish because we still look very good on weekly charts and monthly time frames. So market overall is alright and still not very bad. If we consider ourselves looking at funding rates, likewise remain elevated on some major exchanges, indicating expectations of higher prices returning very soon. Because funding rates have been coming down, and today already it's Friday, options are going to be expiring. So we're going to be expecting balanced out leverages and options as we start Friday, and maybe we can expect something big coming on this weekend as well. Whales keep buying the dip, and we can see that regularly we're seeing a lot of long-term holders are still holding a lot of their coins, and more coins are being moved to their wallets. That was a suggestion that whales are buying very strongly, and we can see an increase of 207 BTC at 62,000. Bigger accumulation followed in the form of 1647 BTC to 700 BTC and 484 BTC purchase. So there's massive purchases going on right now in the markets, and this already shows us that everybody's waiting to catch the bottom so we can finish our last big rally of this bull run, and then probably become sideways somewhere in December and then start again from Q1 in January, and let's see whether we're going to be reaching those 100,000s or not.
No.
Another big news coming us for Binance is Binance Fully Integrates Ethereum Scalar Arbitrum 1. Users can now deposit Ether to their Binance accounts via Arbitrum 1. Arbitrum 1 is a beta mainnet of a roll-up solution developed by Off-Chain Labs. So basically it's going to integrate between Ethereum and Binance, and it's going to help Binance fully integrate into Ethereum, which is going to help Binance Smart Chain and other projects, and especially the gaming industry, have a massive boom in, I think, in the short run also and in the long term, because ever since Mark, Facebook owner, made a news about metaverse, everyone's been going crazy about metaverse and gaming tokens. There's no end coming to it anytime soon.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
And then one of my favorite artists has just sold his NFT for 393 Ethereum in an auction house. I also own art piece from Banksy. Two paintings from contemporary artist Banksy sold for over 12 million in first Saudi-based sale denominated in Ethereum. And this was the exhibition where it was all held. And this guy's art is mostly sarcastic and very yeah, mainly quite sarcastic and cringy art where he's actually most of the times he's targeting some government or some mindset or some philosophy, and I really like his art too. I also own one. And that's all for our news section for today. And we can see a lot of people are making a lot of monies in NFT. Do invest in NFT, guys. Don't be like be part of the future. The faster you adopt things and the earlier investor you are, the more money you always make in these kind of industries. So that's all for the news. Let's see what's happening in our technicals and charts. So let's straight jump into our crypto greed and fear index. Let's see where are we at greed or fear. Are people greedy right now or not? And we are full of fear today. We are at 34. This is an amazing news. We were at 82, then we were at 74. Yesterday we were at neutral. That was for the first time in Bitcoin's history. That was at neutral. Literally touched 51, 52 for the first time. I've never seen it there before. And now we can see that fear is kicking in. I can still expect it can go to 27, 26, 25, somewhere like this. Those regions are one of the beautiful regions in crypto and greed fear index where the market usually bumps and then it comes back to these high levels. I just love it. Good to see the fear has kicked in. This is going to be giving us momentum to again have an upside and have a massive rally towards 90,000. Now we can see what's happening. Coin market cap mein BTC dominance is traveling at 42.7%. Ethereum's dominance right now is at 19.4%. If you look at the global crypto market cap, it's at 2.52 trillion, a 3.16 decrease over the last day. Money's been dumping. We've been having a lot of red blood everywhere in the markets. Bitcoin's dominance is currently at 42.68%, a decrease of 0.55 over the last day. Bitcoin's dominance and Ethereum's dominance have been pretty much undecided, pretty much sideways, and that's the reason the market has been slowly coming down. There's no point for us to scroll and see what the market looks like. We already know when the big daddies are dumping, usually the market is filled up with red and bloody blood everywhere. So for example, we can see what's happening in our 24%, which are the gainers. We can see Decentraland up about 10%, RV up about 9%, Engine Coin up about 8.68%, BAT Action Token is up about 8%, Zcash is up, Sandbox is up. A lot of coins, these were up even yesterday. I just love AVAX not coming down, 22% up in 7 days. No correction even made, just small correction, and it's going up steadily, easily. Overall market is all right. Good to see some things have beginning to pump and the market is bringing some stability for us. Let's see in 24 hours which as the one couldn't take the opportunities, and that is audio for us. 14% down. Crypto.com obviously yesterday was pumping. It's time for it to make a massive correction or at least experience a pullback. So it's up 99.37%, still up 48.10%. Amazing stats for 7 days. Harmony 1 is down, KD is down, Nexo down, Waves down, Secret 1, Qcoin. A lot of layer 1, layer 2s, and a mix of meme coins too, because we can see Shiba there. So you know, that's all I think that's happening for us on coin market cap. Charts में देखते हैं what's exactly happening on our TAs. Let's start with BTC's dominance. Check it out in 4 hours and see कि 4 hour में क्या चल रहा है. Nice, we are making an amazing M pattern here, as we can see. Usually M patterns are bearish, so this could be a sign that BTC dominance is probably going to be coming down and low. But if that does happen, it would be interesting to see how does BTC go towards 90,000 or make those higher highs anytime soon, because if it comes down, I would really want to see what exactly happens. Ethereum को dominance को भी देख लेते हैं. Ethereum's dominance, I keep telling you guys, is sideways in this region. Obviously we don't want to be here. We want to have a nice uptrend and maintain in these zones, or if not maintain in these zones, at least stay somewhere here to avoid Ethereum collapsing. Right now also Ethereum has been maintaining 4,000 pretty well, hasn't really gone down. So we can start and see के BTC के charts में भी क्या चल रहा है. So this was our chart for to keep an eye on, to watch it out what's exactly happening, and we've had the first bone zone. So we were expecting something like this to come from our historical history data. Now we're expecting something like this to come and make a bounce back here. We can also make a bounce back here, there's no worries, but obviously it's better to have 2 safe sides, because we have seen in the history it does come and test the trend line. So we can expect something like this, and at the current scenario we can expect something like this also happening, you know. where we can come down and bounce back. Obviously we can't expect it just keeps coming down. We also want some bears to get liquidated too. It's not nice when only the bulls are getting liquidated in the bull market, right? So obviously we're going to be expecting some nice red candles, then a nice green candle, and then obviously another big massive red candle. That's how it works. Let's check out Ethereum too. Similar scenario in ETH, and we can see here ETH hasn't really touched our base zone yet that it had here. We haven't had something like that here yet. It's been bouncing pretty well, and it did come down. It come down to 3,950 around there, and then it bounced back again. So Ethereum is holding this 4,112 region very well. This is some amazing news for ETH. Overall, if you look at the market is all right. AR is pumping. AR is up about 10%, but then AR has dumped as well. If you look at it in the fib also, right now it's back at 0.7 and 1. So we can expect a big bounce from here and maybe break the next all-time high. If it does, I'm seeing a next target of somewhere about 145. That would be just amazing. I love RBF. Solana back up in 200s. Overall market is now slowly gradually making a nice base and consolidating in these regions. Overall, if you look at the market, it's nice to see them, but the market is all green now. For the last 2 days it was all red. We couldn't do much. Mobox especially I want to talk about. I have no idea why this coin is pumping. Their game is absolutely shit. It's a pathetic game. I won't even have my own son play that game because it's so pathetic. Like, I don't know why this coin is pumping. If you want to trade on it, good idea, but as for the game aspect, it's shit. And I don't like to buy coins or even trade them if the game itself or whatever the technology they have to offer doesn't have great adoption, or even if I just don't like the concept of it, then too bad. Because at the end of the day, you want something that's always grow. It is something that people will start liking, and then the token or the coin price will increase, and that's where you will have adoption and you will make profits. Those are the kind of things that make you rich, you know. So if you don't have a combination like that in a gaming token, nah man, I just don't want it. The game is shit. If you want to check out, you can always go to mobox.com, Momoverse, and you can check out few games there and find out yourself why I'm saying they aren't nice and I just don't like them at all. So we can do a quick assessment of BTC and then we can finish and wrap up today's video. So the two scenarios, as we have been clearly discussing, that the two scenarios we can have, we're gonna have a A and we're gonna have a B. So we can discuss both of them and then we can decide which one we want to follow or which one we trust more or something like that, you know. So if we look at this zone came down, brought us down from 50,000 all the way to 39,000. That was 11,000 dump. So if we see today's or current dump from 68, we're already at 56. That actually covers almost the same amount as that. But, and we have been at the bone zone, but we still can experience two scenarios that I've been noticing in the market are possible right now. So we can have a A like this, and then we can also have a B, you know. So this could be option A, and then this could be our option B. So we can have any scenario roll out in the next few hours or in the next few days. We can even see others domination has been pumping. It broke down from the nice uptrend and now it's been consolidating in the zones. We don't want it to come down here. We want it to have a nice uptrend and break out of here and keep going up. So it gives alts a very good support. Even now, when we saw when BTC was dumping or Ethereum was doing some pullbacks and correction, alts had a very nice support. We are not seeing all the alts literally losing all the gains, about 50%, 25% that they made in the recent weeks. So it's still a very good market to be in. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you loved today's video. If you do, smash the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make videos for you guys almost every day. And tomorrow we have our special, something that I love, Saturday NFT show. We have a special video coming up tomorrow. Stay tuned for that, guys. And that's all for today. Have a great weekend and enjoy with your family and your friends. Bye bye.